step by step, you are marching down your path, feeling strong, feeling right and fulfilled. Don't look back, now you're part of something big. Follow on to keep sure of who you are. Never feel the emptiness again. Now you have a higher task. Even if it means you are talking in extremes.
Even if it means you are walking in extremes.
Now you know who has caused you so much pain, but you won't feel powerless again. Never fear, show your strength and crush them all. Hate your feelings, hate this weakness, be a man. They told you those aren't worth it all. You can be a hero for the world, though it means you are walking in streets.
Though it means you are acting in extremes.
No money, no future, nowhere to turn to. What is your purpose in this life? Searching for a place to be. Your anger kills your hopelessness, and you feel worthy again. I'm sure there are reasons for your cowardice, but neither one excuses violence nor death. Think again, you don't need to be afraid to face yourself, face your feelings, face the truth. You will never be the only one responsible for your own life. Open up to friendship again, and you are really free. Then you no longer need this acting in extremes. You will never be dying for extremes.